as you're watching this, Everyday Muffin Party is officially available, and I am just overwhelmed with joy, with excitement, and I can't wait to share all about this new cookbook with you.
One more night, one more night. I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me.
Friends, it's here. Everyday Muffin Party in the flesh. I'm holding it. The legit copy, not just the author copy, is in my hands, and it is available early for you. If we haven't met before, my name's Heather. I run Fit Mama Real Food, and I am now an author. I am a mom of 4, a wife, and I love creating healthy, family-friendly recipes that are easy to make in your own home and that everyone's gonna love, and that is exactly what you're gonna find in my cookbook. So if you haven't caught the previous videos where I walked you through the process of writing this cookbook, what it's all about, and then the first look when I get the first author copy, definitely go check them out. I will link them down below. Today, I'm going to walk you through everything in this cookbook so you can get a look at it, so you can see just everything that you'll get with it. And then also I'm going to share what you can get during December for our launch bonus. So we'll start out with that. During the month of December, anybody that purchases any version, we have a paper cover, a hardcover, and an ebook Kindle version. So you'll have to get one of those, and then you leave a review after checking it out, maybe making some muffins. Then once you've done that, all you'll have to do is submit your screenshot and an order number, and you're going to get the December meal plan that I shared a couple days ago here on YouTube, and also 5 more muffin recipes along with the favorite tools PDF. And these are just easy clickable links to all of my favorite baking tools that simplify baking so that you can have all the good stuff in your kitchen too. All right, I had to shift myself a little bit because that sunshine was coming in, which makes me so happy because I love the sunshine, but it was insanely bright on my face. So we're in front of the Christmas tree now. This is my kiddos' Christmas tree that they put together. So back to the cookbook. Of course, there are recipes. It's a cookbook. There's 32 muffin recipes. We've got lots of sweet muffin recipes and then a handful of egg-based savory muffin recipes. And then before all of the recipes, there's some chapters on cooking together with kids, the benefits that kids get by coming into the kitchen and helping out, how to build balanced meals. We talk about sugar and adjusting taste buds, how to build a real food pantry, and then we get into successful baking, so favorite tools. There's a substitution guide. We've got how to store muffins, tips for better baking, how to convert your standard muffins into mini muffins, and also loaves. All that good stuff, and then our recipes. So to break down the muffin recipe sections, we've got fruit muffins, we've got vegetable muffins, and these are not savory muffins, they're sweet muffins with vegetables in them. We've got citrus-based muffins, nut butter muffins, which if I had to pick a chapter, that's my favorite chapter because I just love like a peanut butter or almond butter based muffin. The texture, the flavor, they're more filling. So they're definitely my favorite. We've got chocolate muffins, and then we've got our savory muffins, which are great to prep ahead for breakfast, easy to take for lunch, a great protein packed snack. So that is what you will find in Everyday Muffin Party. So it's available on Amazon. I will put a link down below where you can check it out on my website. And on that same page is where you're going to find how you can get these launch bonuses that are happening again just this month, December 2021, for anybody that orders it and leaves a review on Amazon. So the instructions are included on my website, fitmamarealfood.com/cookbook. So that's where you're gonna find that, and that's where you'll find the link to submit your information. And if you have this cookbook, I wanna see you baking from it. I can't wait to see you enjoying this. in your kitchen with your kids, without your kids, for yourself. Maybe you're making muffins for someone else. Maybe you're gifting it as a Christmas gift to give to somebody else. If you make them, can you share and tag me at Fit Mama Real Food on Instagram? I would love to see it, love to share it, and to see you baking healthy, wholesome muffins. That is it for today. I can't believe it's here. I am just over the moon excited. I hope that you'll share in my excitement. And if you pick up a copy, let me know. Again, tag me at Fit Mama Real Food on Instagram so I can see it. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so that you can see more healthy recipes, healthy wellness tips, so much good stuff as we head into a brand new year very soon, and I hope that you will be here for that. All right, thanks so much. Bye.
But if I wait till the summer